Hello guys. Today we have an HP laptop. It's turning on, the fan is spinning, and it's booting up. But the issue is there is nothing on the screen. Okay, we do have something. I saw something on the screen, but there is no backlight. And I did change the screen, but still there was nothing on the screen. Only the data, but missing what? Missing the backlight. Okay, it means if you use a torch or take the screen near the light, you can see the information, but only if you are using a light. Okay, I have the screen here. So what do we need? We need the cable. I did inspect the cable, and I don't believe there's something wrong with the cable. I even changed this cable, but still there was nothing on the screen. So I took out the motherboard, and I've decided to do a video to repair this board with you. If I can. If I can't, I can't. These days I'm no longer spending so much time on one machine because I have so much work. Not sure if I'll be able to see any data. I'm gonna try. Okay, number one, you connect the charger. Step number two, take your multimeter, turn it on, make sure it's on the continuity mode, and then you take the red probe and you connect it to ground. These are the ground, the screw holes are ground. You put one there, and then with the other one, touch the power button. Power button is right there. It's turning on, but there is no information on the screen. You know what? Let's change this RAM. This is a 1.35 volt RAM, and this is the original RAM. Wait, PC3L. It's possible that I'm using the wrong RAM. I'm gonna try another RAM. Is this a RAM? Yeah, boy, it's 2 gig PC3. But let's try with the PC3L. It's resetting. Oh, okay, yes, there we go. Down there I can see a little bit of information. I know you won't be able to see, but let me change this RAM. I just want to try something, because guys, we don't know what is the issue here. I mean, what is wrong. Okay, for those who are confused, let me repeat again. The machine is turning on. We do have the light on the charger, so there's no need to check the 3.3, no need to check the 19 volts, because this light, it means you do have the power, but there's no display. And we do have the caps lock on the keyboard, but nothing on the screen. The caps lock on the keyboard, it means the machine, it's starting up, it's booting up. I think I've made myself clear. Let me repeat again. Make sure your meter is on the continuity mode. Then you touch the power button with the other probe. Nothing on the screen. Okay, the machine went off. Okay, there's nothing. It means this RAM is not supported. Let's put back this RAM, the original RAM. Let me clean the slot. Just want to make sure that we're on the same page. Just want to make sure that there we go. The fan is spinning. Okay, it's doing this. The screen is doing this. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, there we go. Operating system not found, something like that. So what do we check? It's easy. We have to be very careful, extra careful, to flip this machine around. I'm gonna tell you why we have to flip it around, but at the same time be very careful not to short anything. Try to be very careful not to short anything. Okay, take your multimeter, you put it into DC mode, voltage mode. Now let's check for the 19 volts. Here on this fuse there should be 20 volts, and we do have the 20 volt. Then what is going on? Because we do have the 20 volt on this fuse. Now let's check the string. Be very careful. Flip the string around. You know what? Let's remove this. Okay, I found the problem. This is not good. This is not a good sign. we have a problem. Let me show you. We have a problem. I'm gonna show you right now. Show you our problem. There we go. This is the first problem. It's corrosion right there. It's our first problem. Let's clean this out. Use alcohol, 100 pure alcohol. Check the fuse. This is the fuse. Just look at the fuse. We have two fuse. F1 it means fuse number 1, and the other one F2 means fuse number 2. Let's check both of those fuse. So what you do, you take your multimeter and you put it into continuity mode. Then you check the fuse. It should beep. Okay, it's beeping. It means there is a continuity. What about the other one? There is a short. It's beeping. It means there is a continuity. Let's just reflow. Let's just reflow them. All right, guys, let's see what is going on. What is going on? Okay, it's on, but still no backlight. Let's use another string. I want to see something. There we go. This string is faulty, but we do have the information on the string, even though it's faulty, but we do have what? The information on the string. Okay, meaning we do have the backlight and the cable is working, but the problem is the string. Okay, at least now I believe we are going somewhere. Okay, let's do an experimental. Right, I have the string thing. I'm not sure what you call this, but the chips are not the same, but they look like they can fit to one another. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swipe these chips and see if the string will work proper or not, because it was white with some lines but it's not physically broken. Maybe the issue, maybe I'm saying maybe the issue might be the circuit. So let's just swipe both chips and then I will check it from there. Let's do it, guys. It's worth a try because we know our issue now is the string. This is a string that I tried, but it was having some lines. I'm just gonna swipe those chips, starting with this chip, and then swipe this one, this one. I don't know which one is responsible for those things. Let's just swipe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then see what will happen. We won't lose a thing either way, so let's do it. There's nothing that we're gonna lose, but we need to protect this thing. Let's put a foil. Okay, I hope you saw the behavior changed. It's changed completely. That was a nice experiment. I'm gonna throw this away, but first I'm gonna check this. Keep this because I'm busy experimenting. And guys, this is how you learn stuff. There's no any other way. I'm gonna throw this away. Let's try to fix the original string. Let's try the original string. If it doesn't wanna work, it's fine. I will throw it away. But let's try it. Okay, now it is nothing. What have I done? Okay, I think I can see what is going on. The issue here is the VCC. The VCC is broken, and I don't think I would be able to repair the VCC. Let me show you under the microscope. I'm gonna try to zoom in as possible. I need a tape. Let's have a look at the VCC. I hope you can see what is going on, what is going on, what is going on, and what is going on. This is broken from here, underneath here. Move this top plastic and dig underneath. This is a big power rail. I believe should be the high voltage here. The VCC. This is the one that turns on the backlight. Supplies the backlight with the powered VCC. I wonder what does VCC mean in full. But sure I know that V it means volt, but CCC I don't know. Maybe a genius somewhere can tell me what does the VCC means. I really appreciate. Let's see. Okay, it's turned on and then I quickly went off. I don't know why. Let's double check. Okay, it's doing the same thing. Turns on, then quickly shuts down. I can see the backlight, then goes away. Let's check for shorts. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop here. This is wasting my time, but let me show you. Just watch the screen. I'll turn on, then quickly shut down. But I can see the information, but the backlight will go away fast. You saw? Yeah, boy, and there's the information on the screen, but the backlight turns on, then quickly shuts down. Hope you saw. The issue is there. Hope you can see it, the improvement. That's our problem right there. Okay, where is that tape? I want to put the tape. I want to test. I want to check this one more time. You know what? I have a plan. And my plan is simple. My plan is very simple. I'm gonna remove this wire. There on top. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, this is bad. It's still doing the same thing. So I'm just gonna close it here and buy a new screen for a client. Anyway, bye bye.